Assalamualaikum and good day. Today, me and my group is consists of Azizul Aizat, Muhammad Shahiran, Muhammad Akil, and Noash Maiman will present about our group project Happy Kindergarten Sekian Berhad. Our organization is called Samsan Tech. We are mostly majored in networking tasks and jobs. We were contacted by Happy Kindergarten Sekian Berhad to design, set up, and configure a wireless LAN network connection that can connect to 10 PCs, 5 laptops, and 5 mobile phones wirelessly. Moreover, the company asked us to set up their web server regarding the company and the activities with their PCs and laptops access the website as default via wirelessly.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahiran bin Azizan. So today I want to present to you about design of network. As you can see, this is our project packet tracer for our case study, which for Happy Kindergarten Sindaran Berhad. The device that we have used is a 5 laptop, 10 PC, 5 smartphone, and that device are connected using wireless. And we also using a server, this HTTP, DNS, and also web. And we also using a switch, router, and access point. Access point is function for connected all device using wireless. From this Cisco packet tracer, we are using a star topology, which is connected each other, which is switch connect to the server, and also the switch is connected using access point, and also switch is connected using with a router, and all cable are using is a Cooper straight through, which is using for switch to access point, switch to router, and switch to the all of server. Now I will run this Cisco packet tracer. So first thing first is show you a website. So we click this and web browser, and we click it 192.168.1.19. This IP address for web server. So I click go, and then it show welcome to Happy Kindergarten. Next is I will test a ping. So I click the command prompt. So I just test it's a ping, IP address, and then click enter. So waiting for reply, and then you can see the total of send is 4, receive is 4, nothing lost. So the ping is totally connect. Next is I will send the email from PC to the laptop. So PC 0 to the laptop 0, and then it show successful. Then I will test again to laptop 4 to the web, and then it show successful. So this is a logical for our case study for the Happy Kindergarten Sindaran Berhad. Now I will show you the physical for this case study. We back it. So this is our physical structure, which is the Kindergarten Sindaran Berhad is located at Malaysia, which is Ipoh, Perak, and this is our look for Happy Kindergarten. So I will click the inside, so you can see that have a 10 PC, which is PC 0 till PC 9, and 5 smartphone, and also 5 laptop that are connecting at access point using wireless. The main wiring closet is a switch, router, and also access point. The main wiring closet is using a normal cable. Next, I will show you the advantage and disadvantage of star topology. First advantage is the star topology is less expensive than others because each device only need one input-output to be connected. Next, if some PC or any device is broken, we can easily to find where the broken is located. Next is reliable. If one cable or device broken, then the other will can perfect working, not like the bus. Next is connecting or removing device. No disruption to the network will be happen. And then for the disadvantage, we need more cable than the topology bus. Next, if hub or switch down, not will be down. No device can work with the hub. Hub is like a lever for the network. Next is extra hardware is required, hub or switch, which is need more cost to make this topology. Next, I will show you a transmission media for this design of network. So as you can see, the figure 2.3.1 is unshielded twisted pair, or we can call it UTP. All wired cabling used for this setup is using UTP, which is this cable are using to connect the router to switch to access point, and switch to server. UTP cable are recommended to using because based on the case study, we are using LAN, which is local area network. So we think that UTP are the best choice. Next is a figure 2.3.2, which is RJ45 connector. We are using RJ45 connector, which is with UTP. RJ45 is commonly used for Ethernet networking. Next is a wireless network interface card, WNIC. The only limitation for WNIC is that the speed is constant, cannot boost up unless change it to the better quality of version. Next is a network and connecting device. So we have used a router and switch, server, and also access point to connect a device wirelessly.
Detailed cost of implementation. First, we have switch. The name of switch we use LG S108 8 port. Price per item is 2,202 ringgit. Second, router. The type of router we use is SC1000. Price per item is 227 ringgit. And third item is access point. The name of access point is TDW89SID1N TP-Link. The price per item is 93 ringgit. We use one item. Next, server. The name of server we use Intel Xeon processor E78890. Price per item is 3,884 ringgit. The number of item we use is 3. Total is 11,652 ringgit. Next, cable. We use cable C86 UTP network cable. Price per box is 299 ringgit. We use is one box. And last item we use is connector. The type of connector is RJ45 connector. Price per box is 30 ringgit. In the box, we have 50 pieces of connector. The number of item we use is 1. That's all the detailed cost of implementation. Thank you very much.
So, our project has their own strengths and weaknesses. In this section, we will explain our project strengths and weaknesses in terms of performance, reliability and cost. Okay, first let's look at performance. Our strength in terms of performance is high speed data transmission. This is due to the cable that we use, which is UTP cable. UTP cable is among the fastest copper-based medium available. It offers speed up to 1000 Mbps. Okay, next, for this project, we use star topology. And in terms of performance, star topology gives a better performance compared to other topology. Star topology in network can prevent unnecessary passing of the data packet. However, there are some weaknesses in our project. First, our network does not perform well in a long distance network. This is because we are using UTP cable and the distance between the signals boost is shorter with UTP cable compared to coaxial or fiber optic cable. UTP cable can only be used for about 100 meters. The next weaknesses is that the performance of our network is depend on the capabilities of the hub. Because we are using star topology, the network size is limited by the number of connections that can be made to the hub, and the performance for the whole network is limited by it. So the performance of our network is depend on the processing capability of the hub. Okay, next, in terms of reliability, the strength of our network is that our cabling system is easy to manage. This is due to the UTP cable that we use. UTP cable has no shield, and so they are a lot thinner compared to STP cable, and this makes it easier for cable management, installation and maintenance. Next, our network is easy to manage and maintain. This is because each node in this network requires separate cable. New node or devices can be added without affecting the rest of the network. This also means that if one node or links fail, the others can still be functioned without any issues. The weaknesses of our network in terms of reliability is that our network is too dependent on a single hub or control device. This is because of the star topology that we use. Star topology connect each node or link to a single hub, which means that if a hub or switch fail, all the devices that connect to the hub will fail too. So it is important to make sure that the hub is always in a good condition to avoid any issues. Next weaknesses is that our network is susceptible to radio frequency and electromagnetic interference. This is due to the UTP cable that we use that does not have a shield to reduce interference compared to STP cable that does have a shield to reduce crosstalk. In terms of cost, our project does not require much money for cabling system. This is because we are using UTP cable that are less expensive compared to STP cable. However, on the other hand, our project is still costly due to other hardware. This is because we are using star topology that require the use of hub, router, switch as a central device, which increase the overall cost for the network.
In conclusion, based on this given project and specifications from the client company, we found some ways to improve the project to become more better and smoother for use in a long period of time. The first recommendation is wireless to wired. The use of wireless transmission to devices such as PC will cause a problem in the future. Because of the limited of devices, it can connect to the switch to have a fast connection. If the transmission of the PC and switch change to a cable, the connectivity will be smoother and faster without disturbing the connection rate for the other devices that can only connect to the network wirelessly. Second, UTP to STP cable. With the use of STP cable than the UTP, it will reduce the noise and crosstalk because of the shield that's made of foil or mesh that is built in the wire. This will cause less corruption to the data that go through and will give a smoother and faster data transfer. And lastly, the use of wireless range extender can help the client to get a better connection wirelessly at areas inside or outside the building that cannot receive a clear line of connection to the network. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it.